You will never be enough. In the world marked with uncertainty and self-doubt, the notion of enough is a powerful concept that we'll never understand. The pursuit of self-worth and acceptance is a journey that many of us embark on, seeking validation and reassurance in so many ways. At the core of this belief of you are enough or you are not enough lies the recognition that self-worth is not dependent on external factors, social expectations. Instead, it's an intrinsic quality or an internal quality that everybody must possess or everybody possesses. Understanding that one's value is not determined by external opinions but a deep sense of self-awareness can be a transformative realization. You are not enough. The journey towards realizing your own sufficiency often involves overcoming social expectations and social pressures. The world bombards us with messages dictating what success looks like, what beauty looks like, or what achievements are deemed significant. However, in the face of all these external pressures, the affirmation that you'll be enough emerges as a radical act of self-love and acceptance. You need to recognize that being enough is not a word of perfection or with perfection. Perfection is an exclusive standard that can perpetuate feelings of inadequacy. Embracing imperfections and understanding that they do contribute to our uniqueness is a vital aspect of affirming your own sufficiency. Moreover, think about it. The belief that you will ever be enough is noted in self-comparison. Life is a journey filled with highs and lows, success and failures. Through it all, extending kindness and understanding towards your own self becomes your beacon of strength. Embracing failures not as reflections of inadequacy but as a stepping stone towards growth reinforces the idea that every experience contributes to your own sense of being. The societal narrative often places emphasis on comparison and fostering a constant culture of constant measurement against external standards. However, the truth is in every person's journey, and comparison only serves to diminish the recognition of one's worth, of your own worth. By understanding that your path is distinct and that you are enough just as you are, the weight of comparison begins to fade, allowing room for self. If you look at it deeply, the idea of being enough is intertwined with the power of self-belief. Trusting in your abilities, resilience, and capacity to growth lays a foundation for a strong sense of self-worth. Believing in your own potential to overcome challenges and learn from any experience that you have in your life reinforces the narrative that you're not only enough but capable of continuous self-improvement within your own self. The journey towards recognizing your own self-sufficiency also involves cultivating a good relationship with your own self. If you try to engage in practices of self-care and nurturing your own physical and your own mental well-being, setting healthy boundaries contribute to a sense of self-love, creating the narrative of being enough. These acts of self-nurturing and affirmations within your own self allow you to feel a sense of you deserve care and kindness, which makes you believe or reinforces that feeling of indeed you are enough. You have to remember the role that your mindset plays in you feeling enough or not enough. Adapting a growth mindset, our challenges are viewed as opportunities for learning and development, align with the belief that you are enough. This kind of perspective can shift focus from all the fixed standards to a dynamic process of becoming, where the journey itself is a testament to your sufficiency. I want to say to you, the affirmation that you will be enough is a powerful declaration that transcends social expectations and external validations. This is a journey of self-discovery, self-comparison, self-compassion, and self-belief. Embracing your imperfections and cultivating a positive relationship, nurturing yourself, understanding who you are, knowing that you will never be enough, but you can be enough in your own self. Adapting to a very huge, big growth mindset. There are aspects that will reinforce that you are enough, and that is empowering your intrinsic worth, your inner worth, your inner self. You are not enough. You will never be enough. Who said this to you? Where did you get those words from? Who affirmed those words from? What agreement did you have with your own self that made you feel that you are not enough? Because you are enough. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps you. I hope you remember that you are enough, and I hope you stay motivated. I love you so much. Have a blessed day. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.